So first you want to click on the quotes button. After you click on quotes, you want to choose your trade. So we're going to choose the alt JPY. Then you want to adjust your lot size. The lot size will range from any size you choose, but 1.00 is $10 per pip, and 0.1 is $1 per pip, and 0.5 is $5 per pip. You can adjust it accordingly. After you choose your amount, you can choose whether or not you want to do market execution, buy limit, or sell limit. Market execution just means that it enters in wherever the price is at. Sell limit means that it enters in at a set price that you want for a sell, and buy limit means it enters at a set price that you want for a buy. So there'll be more than likely pending orders, which means they'll have to wait till they reach a certain area. After you choose market execution, press buy, and you'll see that the order is open. After it's open, you want to hold down the trade, and the menu will pop up, and you can choose to modify the order. And after you modify, you can choose take profits and stop losses. Take profits is on the right side. You can adjust that with the arrow, or you can just type the price in. And stop losses on the left side, you can do the same thing. After you go back, hold down, you press close order, and this is how you close the trade. And then you press it on the bottom, and it will say order is closed.